Hi everyone. So this is the first lecture about Sprout. So we're going to use the social media listening platform called Sprout throughout the semester. And I'm so excited for you to guys start this journey with me. I think this is the first time I'm recording in my office. So I'm at Anton 225. So if you wanna ever come to campus and see me, I'll be always here. So yeah, we are getting into Sprout session today. You can go into sproutsocial.com. At this point, you already received my invitation. So to your Salve email, check the invitation I sent you so you can create your account in that way. So this is the first screen that you will see after you create your account, and we call it Sprout Social Dashboard. So what is Sprout? Essentially, it allows us to do social media listening, publishing, engagement, and analytics very systematically and effectively. It is one of the most prominent and leading platform that we are using in real industry setting from industry like beauty industry to higher ed. Also, I prepared a video that how Chicago Bulls is using Sprout Social to take care of their social media accounts. So trusted by more than 25,000 world-class brands and organizations in all sizes. So these are all brands that I'm sure you've already heard of. Havas, UNICEF, IHG Hotels and Resorts, Higher Ed, Cinnabon, Subaru, Shopify, and so many more. In what kind of positions is this going to be really relative? So for instance, if you're interested in positions such as social media managers, social customer care agents, social analysts and strategists, so this will be more geared towards analytics using Sprout. So if you want to see more of how actual industry is using Sprout, please go to this link and watch a short video. So with the help of Sprout, we can spend less time on manual tasks, and you can actually become more personal with your customers, your audience, through tailored communication. So first of all, I'll explain what listening is, what social media listening is. This is the very first and essential step, the most important step to understand your audience. So you're gathering all kinds of data on social media, and then you will know what are the keywords, what are the main sentiments, where are they right now, your core audience. It can uncover trends, any insights from the actual data to inform your brand a strategy that's going to work with your targeted audience. So the core features we can do with social listening will be audience analysis. We'll know the demographic data of your audience, customer feedback, consumer research, influencer recognition. If there's a person who we call it as a node, someone who is in the middle of every conversation that is going on. So who is the influencer for your brand communication? Sentiment research, what kind of sentiments, what kind of feelings are they having when they talk about your brand? Campaign analysis, competitor comparison, trend identification, these are all possible with Sprout Social's listening. In the listening session, I'll be able to show you the actual example, how it really looks like. And then we will talk about publishing as the next chapter after listening. So literally you're publishing on the platform of Sprout. You don't have to go on to every different social media accounts and publish there. You can just manage every publishing on Sprout. So you can spend less time keeping up with every account and more time looking forward. Also, you can overcome publishing obstacles. So for instance, you don't have to manually logging in and out of every platform that you need to manage. So these are some core features Sprout offer: scheduling, optimal send times, content suggestions, message tagging. So for instance, if your brand has the most number of audience around 2 p.m. of EST, then Sprout will be able to tell you, why don't you upload your post at 2 p.m. instead of 11 a.m. Also, I will ask you to post your own posts on your own Instagram business pages. So to make it clear and also legal at the same time, I want you to guys find photos from pexels.com. This will be a really resourceful source for us throughout the semester. So you can find photos for your own brand pages here. Analytics and reports. So we're moving on to analytics after listening and publishing. So now we have our own data that we gathered on Sprout. So you're really discovering what resonates with your audience. You can identify your top posts. You can track comments. You can track likes, engagement, and also you can uncover any engaged influencers here. Engagement. So quickly using the inbox tool, you will know what kind of DMs, what kind of direct messages were coming in, what kind of comments were coming in. So you can save time and see every engagement at the same time of different social media platform. So this is from Instagram, this is from Facebook, and then Twitter, but you can gather all this data all together on one page with the help of Sprout. So it makes you more organized of all the incoming messages from one location, and you can build relationships through community management and personalized customer care. So you can become more personable and more approachable to your customers. So this is how our semester will look like. I already created this platforms for you to submit your weekly reports. So we have 4 weekly reports. So after you watch social listening lecture, please upload your weekly Sprout report 1. After publishing, report 2. After engagement, report 3. After you watch reports and analytics, please upload report 4. They will all be submitted on Canvas assignments. I already created those tabs for you guys. So text entry about 3 to 5 paragraphs and summarize what we learned and what you actually did for your own brand page on that day. So I already have questions for each reports. So you will watch the lecture video first for each chapter, and then you will answer to my questions on Canvas assignments. And then about final project. So first thing that you need to do is to create your own brand Instagram page. So last semester, there were students who created like a beauty product page or a nail salon page. There was a student who did a luxury boutique page. So this is a fictitious brand of your own that's located in Newport or anywhere that you want it to be. So you are creating a fictitious brand Instagram page, and we are practicing using Sprout as a tool to listen to your audience and be engaging with them. So first thing is to create your own brand page, and also you have to connect that brand page with Sprout, and also let's set goals. What is your goal throughout the semester? I would say the most realistic goal will be post 2 to 3 times of a week, and let's achieve 50 to 100 followers throughout the semester. So that those can be your goal, or if you want to set different goal, let me know. And then there will be part of social listening, publishing, and then this is the order of each chapter about the Sprout sessions. And then I will ask you to submit your final project proposal, which is also created on Canvas assignments. This is just based on your listening and publishing assignments. For your social listening, we are listening to your competitor brand. So if you created a beauty brand that's vegan and cruelty-free, your competitor brand can be brands like Pixie Beauty or Glossier or any other clean beauty brands that's really popular these days. So after you listen to that brand and also publishing for your own page, first question is, what are the weaknesses you observed from your competitor? Second question is, what are your brand social media strategies based on the listening assignment? So it's just a 2-page document, 11 point Times New Roman, double spaced. You can also submit this on Canvas under assignments. And then we're going to talk about engagement. I'll have lecture about reports and analytics, and then measuring the impact and engagement strategy, social monitoring. And from April 25th till 29th, I will ask you to upload your final presentations. I will also show you how to use upload media tool on Canvas. You can actually upload your video on Canvas. And also April 29th is the final paper due at the end of April 29th. It'll be also uploaded on Canvas. So include the results of weekly reports assignment in your final project based on listening. What kind of publishing have you done throughout the semester? So I hope you can see that they're all organically related. So listening is related to your plan for publishing. And then with those data, you have your reports and analytics. So what are your reports like? How did you use the analytics tool we learned for your brand? Show us your efforts in increasing the engagement. So this will be the lesson you learned from engagement session. So how did you deal with the DMs, direct messages, and comments, etc.? So this is the discussion question for this session. So I created a discussion question board under Canvas discussions. So after you watch this video, please upload answers for these questions. First of all, I want to know, let's talk about what brand pages you want to create for your final project. What kind of passion do you have? Are you interested in beauty brands? Are you interested in clothing brands? Are you interested in, cute characters brands? That's what I like. Create your Instagram brand page. Make sure you create it as a business profile on Instagram. If you don't know how to create a business profile on Instagram, please email me as soon as possible. I'll help you out. Make sure you write on your Instagram brand page profile that this page is a practice account for MGT581 at Salve, so people don't think that this is a real business. And then let me know your email address and IG page. So you can all upload this under Canvas discussions after you watch this video. So this is all I prepared today. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye!